ăn là bằng mắt, bằng mũi, rồi lúc đấy là mới thưởng thức. Cái nhìn tổng quan sẽ làm cho mình cảm thấy là tôi có muốn ăn cái này hay không. Thế thì tất cả những cái đó mình đưa vào. Thứ nhất, nhìn tổng quan mắt nó phải có màu sắc. Ví dụ như cái dưa góp nó làm từ đu đủ, từ cà rốt nó sẽ có cái màu trắng, màu đỏ lẫn lộn. Với cái rau thơm, với xà lách nó hơi xanh xanh một chút xíu. Thịt ở giữa là cái màu đậm vàng cánh rán và màu vàng của lớp phô mai. Ở dưới cùng là cái lớp mayonnaise chay thì là mình để cho nó nâng cái vị và nó ẩn vào bên trong. Thế tất cả những cái đó kết hợp vào cùng với nhau thì bên cạnh mình phục vụ với cả cái nước chấm của cái bún chả mà nó làm được hơi sánh, hơi sệt sệt một chút. Tất cả những cái này nó làm ra cái hương vị cuối cùng của bún chả burger là vị bùi, dịu, thanh có, ngọt có và nó không làm cho người ta quá ngán, quá ngấy.
For Arturo, it's definitely a new experience. As Thanh recommended, Arturo tried the food 2 times with and without the dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce? No, dipping sauce?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It complements the flavors. Yes. It is amazing. Wow, it's delicious. Oh my God. I'm amazed of the flavors that you can put all together here, because you taste the herbs, the carrot, everything. It's like a bite of goodness.
Oh, that's very sweet. Thank you very much. And we're gonna try more fusion food like last time you told me.
Absolutely. Yeah. Because I hear it's a big thing, fusion food, and I think especially when there are cuisines that go together very well. And when you fuse those together, you end up with a fantastic dish. So yeah, no, absolutely. Let's try some more.
Can't wait our adventure.
I already have some places in mind, so let's do it. But let's finish this before.
Let's finish that, and the next will be another food.
Absolutely.
The rice noodles served with shrimp paste and tofu is also a Vietnamese traditional street food that is called a must-taste for every visitor coming here. Deep-fried tofu, vermicelli, boiled pork, and some other ingredients, as well as fresh herbs, served with shrimp paste, would leave you flavorful taste.
Shrimp paste.
This is the shrimp paste, yes.
Very strong,
yeah.
right?
Strong, very strong.
like
fermented, right?
Yes, fermented.
Absolutely. Oh yeah. Strong.
Do you taste sweet of it? It's good, right?
It's very good. I like it. So I have a question. When normally people are eating this, they have a bite of each, or they combine a couple of things, or everybody does it differently? How does it work?
I mean, it kind of like differently from people,
Uh-huh.
but I really recommend that if you want to taste different kind of part from this dish, you can take one dip and try it.
Right.
But I like to put both together, example like this. And this tofu is big amount, doesn't matter.
Right.
I'm gonna put everything together like this.
This is so good.
Yep.
I like it.
Sweet, savory.
Its special flavor took them to taste a unique fusion dish that is inspired by bún đậu mắm tôm. Pizza 4P is a Japanese-Italian fusion restaurant. Chefs here always research and innovate fusion dishes, including Italian Vietnamese fusion foods. Pizza bún đậu mắm tôm is one of the dish.
We are looking for something new experience and want to deliver something wow, which can be achieved when we can beyond the customer's expectation. And also, we do respect the Vietnamese food culture. I like the bún đậu mắm tôm very much. And as you know, there are many mắm tôm places around the Hoang Kiem Lake. And I often come some places to have lunch. And when I saw the mắm tôm, this is the one can be transferred to our pizza. And just try, and it was really nice.
Ingredients for pizza bún đậu mắm tôm includes two parts. The first part consists of pork, ground pork paste, and tofu. The second part includes all things to make shrimp paste sauce, such as a shrimp paste, fermented rice, galangal, ginger, lemongrass, onion, and chili.
Trước khi muốn làm được một cái pizza bún đậu mắm tôm ngon thì chúng tôi phải lựa thực phẩm rất là kỹ, và từ cái quy trình chế biến sốt là món pizza này là đặc trưng nhất là sốt mắm tôm. Quy trình chế biến sốt của chúng tôi phải được cân bằng giữa hương vị, mùi và kết hợp là sự hòa quyện của các loại sốt với nhau để tạo ra được cái sốt mắm tôm này nó tốt nhất.
Shrimp paste sauce is considered as the soul of the dish. All the ingredients are chopped into small pieces and cooked together with shrimp paste and mè. Simple process is performed, but it does need good techniques to make the best quality of the sauce. Keeping the traditional flavor of bún đậu mắm tôm is not easy at all. Besides making good sauce, other ingredients including the pork paste, and tofu are also well cooked. But more than that, what chefs at this restaurant have to do is to balance the Vietnamese traditional flavor and Western one.
Để làm nên một cái bánh pizza này thì chúng tôi đã kết hợp rất là nhuần nhuyễn và thử phô mai camembert là cái phô mai rất là đặc trưng trong nhà hàng. Khi chúng tôi kết hợp vị phô mai camembert cùng với tất cả các cái thành phần bún đậu mắm tôm của Việt Nam, ví dụ như chân giò, chả, thì là chúng tôi đã kết hợp và chúng tôi đã ăn và đã test và rất là ngon.
Wanted to bring you to this place because of the fusion that they make here. It's really interesting. Pizza, but with Vietnamese ingredients. Look at this, tofu, shrimp paste, and things like that. And you want to try it? Right.
Wow, should we try?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Yeah.
Go first, you go first, ladies first. How clever is this? I mean, the combination of flavors in this pizza, it's amazing, it's genius.
I do love it.
Right? So good. And the dough of the pizza is fantastic. I feel like, I mean,
Soft, airy,
right.
in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
official tapas kitchen and drink is decorated in a classical and vintage style, full of colors and patterns, but still very warm and airy. It is well known for delicious and rich flavor small food tapas.
So this place, I am very excited to bring my friend in because it specializes in tapas. Tapas are regularly small dishes, and this place not only makes tapas, but makes fusion tapas, combining a lot of different ingredients. Let's go meet the chef.
Okay, let's go.
Tapas is a traditional Spanish dish. It is often served in a small portion and is the combination of signature ingredients depending on the creativeness of the chef. Lưu Bách Cường, chef of the restaurant, chose ingredients from different countries to fuse together. They include Vietnam's crackers, pork, mushrooms, shrimp, Japan's eel, France's foie gras, as well as salmon and truffle oil, and among others.
Bên em chủ yếu là nguyên liệu fusion lên là món lươn. Bánh đa thì có tạo nên vị bùi của bánh đa, vị ngậy của phơi ga, ngậy béo phơi ga và vị ngọt của cái lươn.
5 tapas that Arturo and Thanh ordered today are smoked salmon, spicy crab salad, avocado and Vietnamese crackers, shrimp roll mozzarella and bacon, Đà Lạt pepper, barbecue sauce, and magmat leaves. Unagi truffle oil, foie gras balutin and Vietnamese crackers, deluxe of mushroom, hollandaise and poached quail egg, braised short rib, foie gras and crispy flatbread.
So I recommend starting with the lighter things.
Yes.
You know, I would definitely start with the salmon because
Salmon?
it's fresh. You know, it's just like smoked salmon and avocado. So please begin.
So do we need knife for it?
No. Just the tapas. You just grab it and
Finger,
bite on it.
finger food.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes. Go ahead.
First one. Time by time, the different layer of the flavor coming through. The first thing I got it. This is the taste of the crackers.
Right.
A little bit solid,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit of dry. But then I get salmon. Flavor of salmon because they cure with the salt for hours before. So it's a bit salty and it smells salmon. And then when I chew it, the sauce is over here with avocados. It's like, ooh, that's like a bit sweet, a little bit.
A little bit of everything. It's a
Everything.
great combination of flavors. I
Yeah.
think.
With Italy's mozzarella cheese and Vietnam's bacon, shrimp, Đà Lạt pepper and barbecue sauce, Chef Cường creates grab and roll dish. The dish is then grilled in the oven for some minutes before serving with a magmat leaf originated from the mountainous area of Vietnam.
This is the way why we just talk about fusion foods becomes like very popular and it's trendy because the way that people found out more about more and more the different flavor, tastes and fresh from both ingredients for the meat option or another vegetable combined together. It makes us like so much adventure. Wow, we never end up eating ever and ever. So after the while to experience in the kitchen with different kind of tapas, I'm completely blown away for the flavor I'm trying over here. The ways they cook it also look very simple, but I'm pretty sure that with my experience in the kitchen, everything have to be prepared, have to process before that. It's on a big job to bring the best food to people. I'm appreciate for the Chef Cường and also my friend Chef Arturo. He brought me over here and try all the delicious